This is an abandoned Porsche Carrera RS 2.7. No one believed this Porsche could ever be saved. But legends don't die. They wait. Years of neglect had taken their toll. This Porsche once ruled the roads. Now it couldn't even roll. But beneath the dust, the soul was still there.
This engine hadn't breathed in years.
And that's when the restoration began.
Every panel, every bolt, every detail. This was going to be a full resurrection.
No shortcuts, no compromises.
Just pure restoration.
This Porsche deserved a second life. And we were about to give it one.
The first step, stripping away years of neglect.
This Porsche hadn't been cleaned in decades. Every surface told the same story.
The interior was just as tired.
Years of decay hidden in the smallest places.
This engine needed a fresh start.
For the first time in years, it was clean.
Now the real work begins.
This Porsche was being stripped to its core. Nothing was being left untouched.
Organization is everything in a restoration like this. This is where the past disappears.
Layer by layer, revealing the truth. The neglect was gone.
From this moment on, this Porsche moves forward.
With the past stripped away, precision takes over. This Porsche needed strength before beauty.
The heart of the Porsche was coming out.
Every component inspected, nothing assumed.
This engine was being reborn.
Handling worthy of a legend.
Now comes the transformation.
This Porsche was getting wider and meaner.
Every millimeter mattered.
This is the foundation of its new identity.
Perfection takes patience.
Every curve refined by hand.
Preparing the canvas.
And now, the rebirth begins.
This color changes everything.
Locked in for a lifetime.
From forgotten to unforgettable.
The shine was just the beginning.
Bringing it back together. Hey.
The transformation was unstoppable.
The heart returns.
Precision brings reliability. Breathing life back into a legend.
Control is everything.
These wheels change the stance completely.
Seeing it on the ground made it real.
The inside gets its soul back. Every system coming alive. This engine was ready. This moment decides everything. And just like that, it lived.
The sound was pure Porsche.
All the work paid off.
After years, it moved again.
Stopping power restored.
Balanced, controlled, alive.
Every reflection perfected.
A badge that means everything.
This Porsche had a new identity.
And it was ready to be revealed. This is what dedication looks like.
Every detail rebuilt with purpose. A legend reborn. It was alive again.
This is how it was meant to feel.
Smooth, powerful, precise.
the sound tells the whole story. From forgotten to unforgettable. Time stopped for a moment.
Every part finally working together.
This Porsche earned every curve.
A driver's machine.
Built to be driven, not forgotten.
This wasn't just a rebuild.
It was a rescue.
A second life earned.
A symbol of everything this build represents. This is why we restore. No shortcuts. No regrets.
Just passion.
A legend continues.
Because legends don't fade.
They're reborn.
This is the Porsche Carrera RS 2.7.